Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Stapler Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
Feature, Inspiration, Mini Shelf, Color, 5 different. Material, Plastic and Metal. Weight, 41 grams, Stapler, Function, Binding Gift.
Number 3.
This heavy-duty 24/6 staple stapler offers effortless stapling with its strong metal build and ergonomic design. The 360-degree rotary feature adds versatility for various angles and binding needs. Ideal for bookbinding and large document jobs, it ensures clean, precise stapling every time.
Number 2.
This multifunction labor-saving stapler is adorable, heavy-duty tool made of metal, perfect for both home and office use. Its hand-operated design ensures ease of use, while the included 1000 PC's nails offer long-lasting performance. Compact and portable, it's ideal for efficient stapling tasks.
Number 1.
Features, ergonomics design with stainless steel chrome bar and rectangular shape press panel, comfortable and smooth to press. Great for stapling pamphlets and booklets from the side, stapler for binding files, pamphlet, brochure, or booklet. Specifications, size, 13.7 by 6 centimeters. Material, metal.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.